All right, so here is Chapter 6, Section 1, example number 6-3 on page 318. So this is procedurally speaking how we find area underneath the standard normal distribution curve. This time, the area that we're going to be finding is the area under the standard normal distribution curve between z equals negative 1.35 and z equals 1.62. So that's what I have here. The area between, no e's in that word, z equals negative 1.35 and z equals positive 1.62. Okay, so we're going to start the same way that we always do. We're going to sketch our distribution curve. There we go. Pretty good enough, okay? Zero's in the middle. Here's negative 1.35 on this side, and here's positive 1.62 on this side. And we want the area underneath the curve between these two z values. So we're shading in this middle area. So we've gone over left areas, right areas, and now we're going to find a middle area. Okay, so here is the idea. If we ignore the negative 1.35 for the moment, we just look at the area, everything to the left of z equals positive 1.62. That would be all of this stuff here, all of that shaded in. Okay, so that's the first thing that we'll do. We'll find the left area associated with positive 1.62. So I'm not going to dwell too much on that. I'm going to find 1.6 and then 0.02. So that is, got to read it, 9474, I believe. Just going to double check that with my glasses. All right, so here's 1.6 and 2. So that's what I had said. All right, now the area to the left of negative 1.35, let's find that. So on the negative side, we're going to find, first of all, negative 1.3. There it is right there. And then scan over to the 0.05 column. So that value is 0.0885. And so to obtain the area in the middle of these two z values here, all right, all we would do is take this left area, everything to the left of positive 1.62, all of that, and then subtract away all of this area to the left of negative 1.35. And that would leave us with this area in the middle. Okay, so the final step in this is to do the subtraction. 0.9474 minus 0.0885. And that's too much to fit on the display here, so I'll just do it with a calculator. Okay, 9474 minus 0.885 equals, that is going to be 0.8589. So that means we would expect, let's see, so there it is, 0.8589. We would expect that 85.89% of all of the values have a z-score that is somewhere in between negative 1.35 and positive 1.62. That's the significance of that. Right. So let's pause there.